Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Kraken's margin trading feature. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Kraken app, and then I want you to just, come here to market, scroll down, and just choose the crypto or asset you want to go to margin trade. Okay, so here I am under spot and margin. Let's select Ethereum, and what you want to basically do is come here, click on buy first, and here you can change this from spot to margin. Okay, you'll see the limit price. You can go ahead and choose an amount. You can enter an amount. You can do a slider right here. You can decide to take profit or have a stop loss if you want. You'll see the available margin. And once you input your amounts, you can just come here and buy the Ethereum with the margin. Okay, that's literally all you have to do. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.